Hey yo, what's up, everybody? Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX, the one and only Mr. Too Good. I'm back again with the nylon. So today we're gonna check Euro GBP. Yeah, Euro GBP. So as you can see, yeah, we're on a weekly time frame here. So before we start, guys, can you please subscribe, share the video, like the video. Also comment on the comment section which video should I do next or which pair should I analyze next. So as you can see here with the market is moving sideways. So we have a sideways market. The market actually ranging, all right? So in this case, you're just going to identify the strong zones, right? The strong areas. And if you haven't watched my previous video, go and check how to identify strong zone, right? So we have this zone here. Let's follow it here. Right. So since we've identified the strong zone, what does this tell you, right? It means whenever the market comes to touch the strong resistance here, the market's gonna push up. Whenever the market comes to the strong support, the market's gonna push up. Sorry, when the market comes to the strong resistance, it's gonna push down, right? And when the market comes to the strong support, it's gonna push up. How? As you can see from here, the market went down, right? Came back here again, it went down. Came to this same area, it went up. Came back to the same area, it went up. Came back to this strong resistance, it went down. So meaning whenever the market approaches its strong support, this strong support is gonna buy. Whenever the market approaches this strong resistance, it's going to sell. I hope you understand each other, right? So let's go a little bit deeper. Remember, this is a weekly time frame, meaning in this case, we're expecting the market to push up. So meaning we're gonna buy the market for the longest time if it respects this. Sorry. All right. So we're gonna push the market is gonna push from here up to there. And another confirmation of this, you can see how the market's approaching the strong area. So we have this zone here. And we're gonna identify this channel. Right. This is a reversal pattern, guys. When you see a market trying to do this kind of structure, yeah, let's put it like this. So when you see a market doing this kind of channel, right, the market is losing momentum. You understand? The market is losing momentum, meaning the market is gonna buy soon. Or if this vice versa, if this was created when it's approaching this zone, meaning the market is going to sell. So I expect the market to push up. First confirmation, it was the strong zone, which was the strong support. Second confirmation is this reversal pattern, meaning we're gonna push up. Right. So let's go deeper. As you can see here, we have the bigger one, reversal, and we also have this one here. Let me show you this one. This one inside, like this. All right. This one is perfect. As you can see, we have the first touch here, we have the second touch here, we have the third touch here. So this confirms that we are pushing up. So we need to take note of this one and watch it, right? So let's go to a daily time frame and see what's happening there. Let's see on a daily time frame. All right. How did I put it? Okay. So as you can see here, already the market has created a double sort of double bottom. Do you understand, guys? The market already arrived to this level, which is the strong support, also the strong trend line support. All right. So I want us to go a little deeper. So let's remove this one. Already the market is touched, it did touch, also touched by the strong support. So let's remove it so that you can see it clearly. So now currently we're in this zone here. Right. The market is creating what? A double bottom. Already here, it's a double bottom. also came back again, creating what? A triple now. Do you understand? The more it touches, the better. So let's go to H4. As I see a sort of reversal. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful structure that I see. Yeah. So as you can see here, guys, the market here, it created what? It created a double bottom here. Then it came back to the same area. Do you understand that? The market touched the first time, right? Here, touched the first time, touched the second time. And bear with me, guys. Come here. Let's come here. Do you see this push here? And you see this kind of reversal here? Yeah. You see this reversal that I'm gonna, it's a continuation pattern. You see this impulse, then this correction, then it went up. Do you see this one? It's a smaller version of this one. Look. Look here. This is a continuation pattern. You see? If you can check this structure here, it's the same as this one, but this one is small, this one is big. And when the market created the structure, the market went up, meaning even here, the market's gonna go up. Do you understand, guys? So in this case, we're about to take the market. So please take it. Already the market has given us a confirmation of a candlestick. It's a bullish candlestick. It went up, right? And now it's creating. So let's go to H1 and see what kind of a pattern is it creating here, and also identify. So we have this zone that we're going to identify now. This one here, right? The market has already broken this high, right? It broke it and it come back now to retest it, making it what? A strong area. You understand? This one is a strong zone, meaning now we can push up to the upside. You understand? So you can take it now. You can take it now. So this is how you're going to take it. Just in this here. Put your stop loss just a little bit. Yeah. Right. Just a little bit here. And then you let it push up. Right. So guys, as you can see here, we're gonna do something like this and ready to push up. Right. Waiting for it to push up. So our first TP is gonna be here. This TP is going to be here. And it's gonna push up to this point. Like this. This is what we're expecting on Euro GBP. Do you understand, guys? So I don't expect you guys to lose this one. I don't expect you to lose this one. And then remember, we are going up, guys. We're not just gonna end here, but we are still, the market is gonna still push. This is your first TP. This is gonna be your second TP here. So imagine if you can take the trade now here and just let it fly. Just hold it. Now I'm about to jump to it right now. So this is it for GBP, for Euro GBP. So let's go to the next one. So on this one, we have Euro USD, right? We have Euro USD. So let's see what Euro USD have for us. Let's see what Euro USD have for us. Right. So as you can see here, we were on a downtrend, right? We're on a downtrend here. So the market has already broken our trend line here. Let's identify it. I need to put it. Okay, we had this level here, right? And then this is our channel that we had. Yeah. So the market was going up, guys, on an uptrend. Then the market decided to break. We were expecting the market to push up to make a dead touch, right? As usual, you know, first touch, second one, expecting the market to push up and make a dead touch here and push down, right? And then this is not always the case, guys. Why? Because we also have another structures like this one. The market created an M pattern. The only reason why the market could not make a dead touch, or the market why the market doesn't make a dead dead touch most of the time is because it's either the market created an M pattern or a double top or a W pattern, double bottom. Do you understand? That is why. So it happens, guys. That is why you must be very, very careful whenever you're waiting for a dead touch. Also, when the market is already made a second touch and you're waiting for a dead touch, have it in mind that the market might create a double top, right, and not make a dead touch. It's possible. This is what we have. So the market is currently going down right now, right? We must come back here to complete the 90% rule, right? So we need to identify our strong zones, right? Our strong area that I'm going to identify is this one here. If you haven't watched the video, how to identify strong area, please go to that video so that you can understand. So the market here, it tends to be what? A resistance, not the market, but this area tends to be a resistance, and it broke, it went down here, then the area turned to a support. So because the market turned to a resistance, also turned to a support, we call it what? A strong zone. Do you understand? So in this area, we can clearly see the market has already retested this zone here, right? Our also strong area is this one that we can identify here. Right. So the market on this area, it tend to a resistance. No, the zone tend to a resistance and then tend to a support. Then we conclude and say this zone, it's a strong area. As you can see, when the market broke here, it came back to retest this level. Right. So let's identify another strong zone. This is our last strong zone here, as you can see. So here the market here the area tend to a resistance. It broke in again, it broke out, tend to a support. Then we conclude and say this is our strong zone. As you can see, guys, all the strong zone, when the market broke the strong zone, it came back to retest. Even here, it came back to retest it. So when the market broke the strong zone, it didn't retest. Meaning now we are pushing up to retest what? This zone. We're pushing up to retest this zone so that we can push down to here. Do you understand? I hope you understand me very, very well on this one, right? Every time the market breaks a strong zone or a strong area, guys, the market must retest that zone. For example, we identify this one as a strong zone, right? The market broke in, it retested. Also, we identify this one as a strong zone. The market broke in, it retested. The market, also this one, the market turned, it broke into this area, right? It must come back to retest this level. So we're waiting for a retest. So let me ask you a question. Do you want to trade? Do you want to take a buy from here to here? Or you have to wait for the market to, which one is best? Which one is best? Right? To wait for the to take a buy to here or wait for the market to get to this point and then you take a sell and get a huge reward. So the Forex is not stressful. You're the one who's causing stress to yourself. So let's go to H4 and see what's happening there. Already the market is showing bullish going up, right? So how are we gonna take this one? So what I advise you guys, because here, man, it's not that long. Just wait for the market to push up to this zone, and then from this zone you take a sell, you hold it until to this. Right? It's better to wait for the market than to take a buy just to come here, just because you have FOMO, fear of missing out. No, wait for the market to push up to this zone, to retest this zone, right? And then take a sell. Let's say the market doesn't do that. The market decide to push like this, to push down. See, you should also identify this zone here, right? So when the market decides, no, I'm not going to come here, I'm going to push down. It's okay. Let it push down, then wait for what? Wait for a retest here, and then take a sell. Simple. Right. I hope you understand each other on this one, guys. Wait, okay. Let me show you another one. If it doesn't do that, just wait for it to push up like this. This is your two entries. These are your two entries. Wait for the market to do something like this, and then you take a trade. Then you won't take a loss. Let's go to the last one. So here we have NZDUSD, right? So NZDUSD, as you can see here, we already had what? A double top here, right? And also we will identify this strong support here, which is this one, meaning the market is moving sideways. Whenever the market is going to come here, like this, whenever the market is going to come here, the market is going to push up. Vice versa, when the market comes back to this area, the market must push down. Right. So we can see the market when it approach this zone here, the market approach with a reversal pattern. Right. This one here. Let's try to zoom in. As you can see here, this one is a daily time frame. So here, like this. So what do we do? We're waiting for the market. Oh, so what we're waiting for? We want the market to push down, right, to this point, right? So before we take a trade, remember, you take, because the market is going down, we're looking for sales. We must take sales from what? From a resistance. So we must check, right? Where is the strong resistance? Where can we take the market? Where can we take sales? So as you can see here, we have this strong zone here that we're going to identify right now, which is this one. You can see the market was a support here. This zone turned to a support, also a support, right? The market broke, it retested this level, and it went down. But now it's showing some kind of bullish, right? Meaning the market might push up again to this area just to make it double top, right? And then push down, right? But let's go to smaller time frame and see what we have on a smaller time frame. So on a smaller time frame, we have this. So I want us to remove this because they've already identified. So we're just going to put it like this here. Like this. Yes. And then we're going to identify this area. You can see it made what? It made a double top. Here, you can see this double top here. Actually, it's a triple. As you see, but we focus on this one. It's a double top, meaning the market is going to push up, giving us a signal that's going to push up to this area. And then from this area, we push down. So this you can check it on Google or any, but we have this kind of continuation pattern. It's a continuation pattern. This kind of, yeah, find it like this. But this one, it's a smaller version, right? Something like that. But this one is the bigger version. So you must wait. Since the market has created something like this, we're expecting the market to come and touch it again so that you can push down. I hope we understand each other, guys. So this is what we're waiting for. So what I'm advising you, wait for the market, guys, to push up. Just relax. Wait for the market to push up and come here. Right. And then take the trade. You're gonna go a long way. Relax. Do you understand? Because now we have confidence that the market will reject here. So because if you buy the market here, what if the market doesn't buy here? If you want to take it here and just then you take a loss. But if the market does push down, just wait for it to come back to retest this level and then push down. So you have two entries here. Wait for the market to push it. If the market breaks, wait for the market to retest it. That's it. The game is all about patience, guys. Patience, then you're gonna win. Thank you so much. Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for choosing my channel. Please, guys, comment on which pair should I analyze next. God bless you.